Hello, I'm Pierre. I've been teaching English online for 2 years now, and I focus mainly on business English, working with intermediate to advanced students who want to sound sharper and more confident, not just correct. And business English is actually personal for me. I've spent almost 10 years working in corporate administrative environments myself. So when we talk about emails, meetings, or professional conversations, I'm not just teaching theory, I've genuinely lived it. I've also had a bit of an unusual path alongside that. I'm a qualified interior architect. I worked in radio as a news anchor, and I even did professional photography on a cruise ship. So whatever you're into, chances are I can actually talk about it with you, not just teach around it. Our lessons won't feel like a textbook. We'll have real conversations and I'll help you sharpen your English naturally as we go. If that sounds like what you're looking for, come book a lesson with me. I'd love to help you get there. See you in class.